Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing a plant therapy order. I recently just joined their affiliate program, which means I get a little percentage if someone makes a purchase through my link, and also they sent me a PR box. But plant therapy was a brand that we used, the first brand I think that we used after Young Living, and so it's a brand that I've purchased before and we already loved, so it was just a really good fit for their affiliate. But they sent me some things I'll share with you. Then I'll share like why we love them. But this is just the like a trio. It came in a 3-pack of kids safe oils. This is the sleep one, and I really love it because it's a different blend than what we've used before. So it's lavender, sweet marjoram, green mandarin, which is cool and different, cedarwood, patchouli, which I love, clary sage I love, Roman chamomile, and blue tansy, which if you watch my videos, you know blue tansy is my favorite essential oil. So this smells a lot different and a lot more like complex than different sleep blends. This one is calming the child, and sorry, I'm using a backup camera, aka my cell phone today. My camera batteries are completely dead and will not charge. Anyways, I don't know if this is focusing or backwards or what have you, but this is calming the child. This is green mandarin again, tangerine, lavender, and Roman chamomile. So it's a good calming blend also, but it's a little bit different and it's a little bit sweeter. It really grabs your that smells really good. So I use this mainly I've been using this by just putting it up to Zara. She's the one that needs it most right now, and just having her smell it through the bottle. And inhalation is one of the most powerful and instant ways to use essential oils, whether it be straight from the bottle, fume, which is my favorite essential oil accessory. The girls don't use that though. Or like diffusing, which changes the state of the oil though. So just whiffing it or sniffing it through the bottle is really effective. And then this one is Germ Destroyer. Again, I'm sorry for the awkwardness of showing you the oils. Okay, Germ Destroyer has black spruce. It has sweet marjoram, lavender, rosalina, which, I've never heard of that, and then lemon. So a good, and also different than just your cinnamon clove. I haven't even opened this. What? We haven't used this one yet. But I just got, I'll show you, it's for a different video, but I'll show you guys too. I just got these little backpack little things for their rollers. So I'm going to make a blend with this Germ Destroyer. It smells really nice. It smells sweet with the sweet marjoram and lemon, but also earthy, woodsy with the black spruce. Okay, so I got these for their backpacks. I'm going to make a roller, confidence, uplifting roller. I'm not even sure what I'm going to put in it yet. Maybe Valor, and a couple other maybe citrus oils. But then I'm going to make a Germ Destroyer. Let's see if I have a roller. I do, that I can show you. It just slides in here, and then you can attach it to their backpack. So I'm going to do that for them before school starts. This fits in there really snug, which actually is good. It's not going to slip right out. And then you just attach that to their, I'm going to probably put it in the inside of their backpack, but I love that. I'll link these below if you guys are interested in these too. It'd be also good for a keychain or purse. If you don't have kids. But these are so nice, really good, really different. And we love plant therapy because they're third-party tested, which is a must. And then they show that they have should have their lot numbers, maybe not for blends, but for singles. They have a ton of blends and rollers like this for kids, so also really just convenient. It makes you feel good. They're really family friendly, and their prices are amazing, so good. Okay, they next sent this, which I've been diffusing today. It's similar to Stress Away from Young Living. This is a blend, sea salt, what is it called? Vanilla sea salt. This has Himalayan cedarwood, vanilla, which elevates any essential oil blend, in my opinion, balsam Peru, lime, orange, and I think that's it. It smells really good. It's got the vanilla lime citrus. So it's really uplifting and very summery. And then I believe this is what came with it, or maybe it's sold separate, but you can put this, I have it in their bathroom. You can put drops of oil on the wood that's porous or on here and have that as a diffuser. But I thought it was just really cute too. You can hang it in your car. I love little diffusers like that. And then, oh, they also sent this, which is a diffuser. And I really love this. It's been in our bedroom and it's, let's see, like a stone kind of material, has a lid here and then the buttons, and it plugs in. But it's a really small reservoir. Like the fill line is, I don't know, it doesn't hold a ton of water, but it puts out so much fragrance. I don't know what it is about that, but it has mist and a light button and then timers. So I really have been liking this. It's a good quality diffuser too, and easy to use. So I really like it. The other reason that I love Plant Therapy and what I buy most of the time from them is blue tansy. They have it for, like I said, their prices are really good, but I don't know, blue tansy is my favorite oil, so I keep this on stock or in stock, on hand, whatever. It's just a little bit less expensive, but even less, they have these 2.5 ml bottles, which is even smaller and obviously less expensive because it is smaller. This one's blue Yarrow, also a blue oil, but it's more, I don't know, it's just not as sweet, and this is better paired with other oils where blue tansy is so dreamy. It's just so good all on its own. It's sweet, but also has that like clearing your airway like vibe with it too. All right, I think that's it. These are great for back to school. Definitely recommend this set. And I'll link these little holders too down below. But if you guys have any questions on Plant Therapy, let me know. If you use them already and love them, let me know what your favorite blends are. I don't have too many blends. Like I said, I usually just get the blue tansy and some singles from them, and then like kids rollers. So let me know what your favorites are. I will link everything in the description below, along with the blog post that goes with this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Bye.